Hello, Facebook. Welcome to my channel here. Today I will be sharing I went and bought a new car. Bought a new car that I never in a million years thought I'd ever own. So before I get into that, I want to show you, this is kind of my deal. These are the things that I enjoy. These are the things that bring us joy, me and my wife. The car is a great tool for, autocross, track days, country road driving, road trips. The Jeep, very well built. 37s, lifted, winch, supercharged. Ton of stuff, ton of money thrown at it to make it a good tool for what we do. But never in a million years, ever in a million years, did I ever think I was gonna go and buy a Subaru 2024 Subaru Crosstrek Wilderness. Never thought I would own a Subaru. Last Subaru I ever wanted to purchase was a 99 2.5 RS when they came out. So this is it. I don't know why I drove it. Totally fell in love with the way it drives. Just absolutely cool car. It seems very well built. It's comfortable. Just love it. So much so that I don't even think we had it 4 days. In fact, we've only had it 6 days now. But 3 or 4 days in, we went and did new wheels and tires. 5 days in, got the windows tinted. So I'm actually jazzed. I don't know why, but I had a Facebook friend say that this is like a cult, or welcome to the cult, he said. Well, I can see why. This is a cool car. It is like none other. Today we're going to go on an adventure. We're going to do some back road driving that we normally do in the Jeep to get to the coast. And, I'm in Washington State. We're going to go to the Oregon coast. So kind of the maiden voyage, other than come home and, the wife uses it for going to work and back. So, hella cool. I love the interior. I wasn't sure I was going to really be a fan of this gold, right? All the gold accents it comes with here. But it's cool. It's growing on me. Carbon fiber's nice. The look. I mean, it's a cool car. Swapped out the wheels and tires. That's a black Rhino 17x8 wheel. And then the Falcon Wild Peak AT Trails. Seems to be a good tire. A lot of Subaru folks like them. They get a lot of great reviews. So I decided to put them on here. I went with a 225 65 17. Factory size is a 225 60 17. So it grew about little less than 1 inch overall in diameter. So a little bit taller tire, a little bit more aggressive look. The offset of the wheel does change, so everything gets poked out a little bit further. Did that and tinted the windows so far. They're 35%, so they're a little lighter than the rest of the car. And that's all we've done so far. So maybe we'll do more. I don't know, but I think I may start doing some videos showcasing the car and kind of some of the things we do and our adventures. And, I'm not really one for doing that. I don't like to take away from our experience with filming or taking photos or anything like that. But, you know, maybe it's time to do something new. And it's going to start with this crazy Subaru. So stay tuned. Watch the channel for more content. You know, hopefully we get some on there and you guys like it.